Hey, what's up guys? I am here today under the orange tree to teach you a close-up of the half slip hitch knot. The first thing I'd use it for was hitching up horses. So it's a great horse knot. It's a quick release knot. You can use this knot for a million things. So it's just great for just an anchor knot if you're putting things on your trailer. I use it in conjunction with the other knot, the atomic trucker hitch, and I have another video that teaches that along with this knot, and I'm just going to do the half slip hitch here just to show you a close-up of it so you can kind of see what's going on. I witnessed a horse pull a huge post out of the ground because he was very upset about something, and this knot held fast. Here we go. Okay, so we've got the end here, the running end. We've got another end that's going to go to the horse. Okay, so we've got a loop there, and you decide how long you would need it for your project. Here's your running end, and I usually go around counterclockwise just because I'm right-handed. So I'll go around, and again, this is the horse side, so I'll put that over my shoulder for now. And then here's your running end. So what you're going to do, instead of doing just a half hitch, we're doing a half slip hitch. A half hitch is just going around and tucking all that through and pulling it, and then that's a great knot, you know, half hitch. But we're doing a half slip hitch, and all it is this. It's this knot, but just with the tail sticking out like that, kind of like your shoelace, right? So that's that. And then for smart horses, we tuck that in because they like to pull on this sometimes, and they can get away. Put a length of enough tail through there. So that allows them to pull on that, and they still can't get out. And then to release, you would have to do this, pull that little safety out, and then you still have your bite through there, and then you would just pull that to release. So how do you make this knot? You can do it on vertical posts, horizontal posts, rings, carabiners, whatever. So here's your horse end, and here's your running end. I throw it over, right? And then I just usually throw it over again, and you got this little loop here, and then you just turn this and tuck it through just the bite. This is a bite, or a loop, right? A bite in the knot world. And then that knot is so stinking bomber, it's just not going to ever come out unless someone pulls on this, or a horse does, or whoever, right? And then that just releases it. So the animal is, you know, the elephant is needing to be released quickly. This is the knot. So I just go around again, tuck it right through, and that is it. The half slip hitch. Super duper, super awesome, handy. So I hope you like it and use it, practice it, use your rope. Try it right now. And then go check out my other videos, the half slip hitch along with the atomic trucker hitch, which is also super handy. And then got the daisy chain. So go check those out, and then look at my other videos where I build some other cool stuff. See you next time. Bye-bye.